Hey man, we got a special guest on Szara Dental Lab's channel today, so pay attention and look forward to seeing me.
Hey everybody, Steve Szara here from Szara Dental Lab, and welcome back to my channel where new orthodontic lab videos come out every Tuesday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, where you can learn everything about orthodontics because that's what I do, it's my passion. So if you want to learn something about lab work or you want to learn something about orthodontics in general, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's get in this video. Well, here's the deal. Before you go out and buy a $1,000 steamer or more, make sure you watch this video. I personally use a steamer 5 to 10 times a day. It depends on the appliances. But this is the ultimate cheap steamer, and it actually works. It's comical. Everybody registers for this gift when they get married. It's called an espresso steam maker. It's a high-end to make an espresso. What happens is, it sounds like a really cool idea to make your espresso, but nobody actually makes an espresso. Have you ever had an espresso? Seriously, nobody makes an espresso. So where do these guys end up? I'm going to take you on a trip today, and I'm going to show you where they end up and where you can pick one up super cheap.
And let's go on a little journey and I'll show you where all those steamers end up. Got yourself married and someone bought you that sweet espresso machine so you can have nice, bubbly, steamy milk. Blah, 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 blah. But guess what? You ain't ever gonna make an espresso. And guess where you're gonna end up sending it? That's right, brand new, and you're gonna send it to Goodwill. Well, look at here. Look where all those espressos end up in those free little steamers. Super cheap.
Look at you. This one I bought at Goodwill, brand new for $3.99. This is no joke. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this bad boy on after it's warmed up for a minute, and you've got some high steam. You can see this bad boy putting out. So I got some wax on my model I need to get off. I'm going to show you. It's got some hummus in it. You need to clean it. Let's say you made an invisible retainer. It's got wax through it. You get some wax off this model. Hey everybody, I hope you like this video. I was having a little comic relief. Get a little goofy in the lab sometimes. It's summertime, it's busy, and I gotta make a short video here, so content. Anyway, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you like it, share it with a friend. We'll talk to you later. See you next week.
Hey man, and don't forget to subscribe. Why is he always asking people to subscribe? I don't